Hi, welcome to our latest tutorial. Want to send form responses from 123FormBuilder directly into your Notion database? In this video, we'll show you how to set up the integration using Zapier, step by step, no coding required. Start by building your form. Add fields like name, email, company, and any other details you need. Once it's ready, publish the form and submit a test entry. This test data will help you set up the connection in Zapier. Next, log into your Zapier account and click Create Zap. For the Trigger app, search and select 123FormBuilder. Choose New Submission as the trigger event. Then, connect your 123FormBuilder account. Zapier will ask for access. Just follow the prompts and click Continue. Now pick the form you just created from the drop-down list. This tells Zapier exactly which form to track. Click Test Trigger to make sure Zapier can pull in the data from your test submission. This step confirms your form fields are correctly detected and not just generic system IDs. For the Action app, choose Notion. Then, select Create Database Item as the action event. Connect your Notion account and choose the page in database where your form data should go. Now match each form field to a column in your Notion database. For example, map the name field to the name column, email to email, and so on. This ensures your data stays organized and easy to use. Zapier will offer a final test. Go ahead and run it. If a new item appears in Notion with your form data, everything is working perfectly. Finally, publish your Zap. Do a final test. Submit your form one more time and double-check that the new data shows up in Notion exactly as expected. And that's it. You've successfully connected 123FormBuilder to Notion using Zapier. For more tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for helpful links. Thanks for watching.